Hi friends, myself Sairam Painani. I want to present the idea of strategic approach to you today. A strategic strategy can be defined as a deliberate and planned method of planning and carrying out actions to accomplish particular aims or objectives. It entails truly assessing the current situation, establishment specific goals, and spotting potential possibilities and difficulties, and creating a strategy to bring about the intended effects in many facts of life, including business, self improvement, and problem solving. A strategic approach is essential. It enables us to effectively handle challenging circumstances, make wise choices, and coordinate our efforts in order to achieve a common objective instead of relying primarily on reactive or impulsive behaviors. It entails a methodical and forward-thinking mindset. A strategic approach to personal development is establishing specific goals, accessing strengths and shortcomings, and creating a plan to reach those goals. It could entail developing new abilities, enhancing old ones, establishing priorities, and efficiently managing time. A strategy is crucial for long-term success in a commercial setting. To create a well-thought-out plan, it requires completing marketing research and client wants examining the competition and recognizing trends. This strategy may include establishing financial objectives, creating marketing plans, collecting resources, and tracking results. A strategic approach to problem solving comprises investigating the underlying reason of a situation and putting the best solution into action. It might entail doing research, having a brainstorming session, accessing hazards, and thinking about a long-term effects. A, a proactive and international method of preparing and carrying out actions to attain desired objects is referred to as a strategic strategy to achieve the best result possible in a variety of spheres of life. Unspecific goals and meticulous planning are required. I appreciate your attention and hope that this introduction has helped you the idea of strategic approach and the advantages of the strategic approach. Resource optimization. A corporation can successfully allocate these resources, such as time, money, and human capital, to the most crucial priorities by adopting a strategic strategy. Better overall performance and effective resources management may arise from this. Clear direction. By establishing explicit objectives and targets, a strategic strategy offers a clear path. It enables the business to concentrate its effort and assets and activities on accomplishing those goals, which may result in better performance and results many on making decisions rather than reaching to problems as they emerge is encouraged by a strategic approach. It entails careful planning and analysis and enabling the business to foresee prospective problems and opportunities and make well informed decisions in advance. Long term presentation. A strategic strategy involves taking the long view rather than focusing on immediate rewards. It motivates a business to think beyond short term gains and make plan for long term success. And disadvantages of the strategic strategy. Time consuming. A strategic approach calls for through planning and analysis and implementation, all of which might take a time. A strategic plan may need a lot of time and money to develop and implement. which may not possible for all businesses and especially smaller ones with limited resources. Those are rigidity and complexity. When we are coming to that question, when might this type of strategy best serve the company? And the answer is a corporation can be benefit most from a strategic approach when long-term planning, resource optimization, and proactive decision making are required. When a business is coping with major obstacles or changes in the business environment, such as entering a new market, overcoming prices competition, or navigating the economic concerns, and it is very helpful. Companies that are executing the organizational changes or ambitious growth objectives might also benefit from the strategic strategy. Examples of companies that use this approach successfully. Those companies are Apple and Google and Starbucks Corporation and Procter Gamble. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.